Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadien mawanra da ka ain ro lani ka Ordinance ban pendo ye ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arajar arpuai ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 kalawanra sadaka ain bapura lani ka bill ban Pyndam no ya kani ka ain. Ya kani ka jingelang la shim ha ka jingelang ka baningkong jong ka kinhon menteri ka balalong ha ka sngi basaw ka khandai tarik unai leber arajar arpulai. Habakran cikilat pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ke jilla ukonrat sangma ulaong ba yagani ka bil ke Sorkar kan saraj ke yeng dorbar thawan ha gani ka dorbar mang tengka ke banwan ke kinhon menteri kala Mynjur ya ke contingency fund of Meghalaya amendment arajar arpulai ke baladap Mynjur da ke ordinance ha ke Sorkar ke baladap.
We just concluded the first cabinet meeting of the Mda-Ii 2.0 government, and in the cabinet meeting we have taken up two important agendas. The first is to bring in the contingency fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023. If you remember, we had brought in an ordinance for that. So now that the house is in session and we have to bring this in the house, we have brought this now in the form of a bill. Similarly, the second agenda was to pass the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. As you are aware, we had passed an ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and today, as the session is on, we are going to put it in the form of a bill, and the Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act will be repealed. So these were the two decisions that were taken today in the cabinet.
Had passed that ordinance on to repeal the Gaming Act. So this time it will be just to regularize it in the assembly.
Yeah. So what ordinance is basically is that when session is not on, to enforce a particular act, an ordinance is passed by the cabinet, which then has to be ratified in terms of a bill. It's to be brought in terms of a bill and ratified by the House and passed, and that's what's happening now. So the ordinance was cleared earlier, but now that the session is on, this is the correct platform now to regularize the repealing of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act.
Nagaliang Menteri Rangba ke jella uliat ho ba ke dorbar tengka ke jella kan sedang ha ke arpotrik mentau benai bat kandai ke mang tengka ke bapura na ke bentau snem arajar arpulai arpusa.
So the budget session is going to commence on the 20th of this month, and or rather I should say it will be continuing because it has just been adjourned till the 20th, and the full budget will be passed during this session. And we are waiting for the BAC to meet to finalize the exact dates.
How long the session will be?
So the BAC will decide when they meet.
But is it necessary that budget session should complete before 31st March? Because
it is healthy. It's good to do it because then we can start the work and process quickly. Because now if we go for only vote on account, then it will be only for the first quarter. And then we'll have to meet again. So, and then the full budget picture does not come out. So the team has been working in the last many months to complete the budget exercise, which in fact started a long time back, even before the elections were announced. So therefore, the finance department is very much ready with a full budget.
Shishu konrat sangma uliat ho banakaliang ka Sorkar Mda-Ii 2 kala Mynjur bantung laingut ki nong aiktin ki bakinthum ya ki laingut ki Menteri Sorkar kita ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo o Marcus N. Marak bat uba Paul Lingdo.
The other things that were discussed was that we will be officially putting up 3 spokespersons of the cabinet, apart from myself and Preston Tinsong, who is our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. We have decided that Kong Amprin Lingdo, Mr. Marcus Marak and Paul Lingdo, these 3 cabinet ministers will be the official spokesperson of the cabinet. So these were the few decisions that were taken.